Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Wi-Fi. And basically you have few options how to enable or disable it. You can use an application or you can use gestures at your earbuds. Let's get started by use the application. You need to open HUAWEI AI Life app. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see them at the device list, you need to tap on them. And right here at the right side we have transparency mode, it calls awareness at these earbuds, but to enable it you need to put at least one of your earbuds to your ear. And now just tap on it. And we use this mode. To disable it you need to swap to ANC or to normal mode. And as I said, we have two options, so let's use the gesture. At the back side of each earbud we have touch areas, and you need to press and hold at this touch area. I will put it to my ear, so from normal mode you will swap firstly to ANC, so press and hold, and then press and hold again, and we will swap to transparency mode. And from transparency you will swap to normal mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!